सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार. You know the story. We are in the 13th story of this Kakolukiyam, where the conversation between the story is being narrated by Raktaksha, one of the wisest ministers on the part of the Owl King, Parimardana, but he is sidelined, he is totally disregarded and neglected. His advice is neglected. We have already seen that. Now, in this story, which we started off in the previous last week, the story of the sage doing the evening rites, attending to evening rites, and accidentally mouse fallen from the mouth of an eagle into his hand, and the sage, taking pity on the mouse, turns the mouse into a kanya because he was not having any issue. So he made the mouse into his daughter, and then he presented it to his wife, and she came of the age, and as the demand of the day was, he wanted to marry her off when she came of 16, Dwadasha Varsha Sanjagni. And he took the permission of we have also seen how a girl should be married at the age of 8 only, and 3 types of kanya, etc. And different types of girls are described here: Rohini, Kanya, and then Nagnika. Nagnika is the best stage where a girl is to be married, according to their opinion. And then, when the sage invites the sun god, right from the sun god to the Mega, the god of the rain, the god of the mountain, etc., this girl goes on rejecting them on some or the other pretext. And finally, where does she land up? We are going to see that. So at the last conversation, we said, Mattopyadikaha santi mushaka. The mountain said in page 500 page, Mattopi adhikaha santi mushikaha. The rats are more powerful than me. Last line, santi mushikaha. Ye mushikaha matchariram balat vidareyanti. Because the rats, tear up my body. They make holes in the mountain by force. And therefore, when the mountain king was asked who is superior to him, the answer coming from the mountain is that the mushikas are mattaha api adhikaha iti. So that is where we have to take up. And today's number is Srinivas.
Shatrimshaduttara Shatatamaha Varga.
Yeah, Shatrimshaduttara Shatatamaha Varga. 136th class of Panchatantra, especially in the third Tantra Kakolukyam. Here we go.
Tataha Munihi Mushikam Ahuya Tasya Adarshayat. Ahacha He Putrike Tvam Asmai Prayachami Kimesha Pratibhati Te Mushika Rajaha Sapitam Društva Svajatiya Yesha Iti
Manyamana, sorry. Iti Manyamana.
Manyamana Ulakodushita Shariro Vacha Tatta He Tata Mam Mushikam Krutvasmai Prayacha Yena Svajati Vihitam Gruhini Dharmam
Anutishtami, yes. So, on being told by the mountain that the Mushikas are more powerful, Adhikaha, Balavantaha iti Uktaha, Rishihi, Munihi, Mushikam Ahuya, having invited a rat, Tasya Adarshayat, Tasyaha Kanyayaha Adarshayat. He showed it to the daughter, his daughter. Ahacha, and also said, Hey Putrike, my daughter, Tvam Asmai Prayachami, Tvam Asmai Mushikaya Prayachami, Kim Esha Pratibhati Te Mushika Rajaha. And everywhere, the best of the things, like right from Aditya, the Megha Raja, and then the Parvata Raja, etc. All the best. Mushika Raja here, not ordinary Mushika Srinivas. That is to be Swamasmai. Kim Esha Pratibhadite Mushika Raja. How do you like this king of the mouse? Sa Kanya api tam drushtva, tam Mushikam drushtva, seeing that mouse. Swajatiya esha iti. Now, this is the point here. Swajatiyaha esha iti. This is my jati. This person belongs to me, my race, my birth, etc. Yena swajati vihitam. Oh, sorry, iti. Manyamana. Swajatiya iti esha iti. He belongs to my category. Manyamana. Race. Pulaka udghushita. Pulakodhushita sharirava shariro uvacha sharira uvacha. So with his body, when he saw the mouse, the body of this Kanya was delighted, was thrilled. Pulaka udghushita sharira uvacha. Sorry, Pulaka uddushita, that is samasa. Sharira uvacha, shariro vacha. Her body was totally thrilled and delighted to see this.
Guna guneshu vartante.
Tata, there is a mistake here in the text that halanta is not necessary. Tata maiji. Oh my father, mam mushikam krutva. See how spontaneously the Kanya, Rishi Kanya is wanting to go to her nature. Mam mushikam krutva asmai mushakaya prayacha. Oh father, come on, make me a female rat and offer this to this Mushika Raja. Yena, by which swajati vihitam gruhini dharmam. Swajati vihitam, because I will be, so that I will be fulfilling my jati dharma. Swajati vihitam, ordained by my jati, my race. Gruhini dharmam anutishtam, so that I can follow my rat race, or the dharma of rat. See, all of a sudden, this is what has happened. Tataha Muni is very liberal. Yeah.
Taha sopi स्वतपोबलेन तां मूषिकां कृत्वा तस्मै प्रादात् अतोहं ब्रवीमि सूर्यं भर्तारमुत्सृज्य इति.
Yeah, these two dialogues now. Here the story ends here. Tataha sopi munihi saha munihi api swatapobalena. He was gifted with so much tapobalena tam kanyam Rishi Kanyam Mushikam Krutva, he again made her what she was earlier. Tasmai Mushikaya Pradat. This is Lung Lakara Srinivas. Pra plus Adat. Adatam Aduhu. In Prathama Purusha. Adatam Aduhu. Dan Dane. So ayachat in simple lang lakara, tasmai mushikaya ayachat pradat ataha aham bravimi. Now this is the aham referring to Raktaksha. So I am telling you, bravimi vadami suryam bhartaram usrujya iti. So this is the beginning of that this story, rejecting Surya as her husband. Atha.
अथ रक्ताक्ष वचनम् अनादृत्य तैः स्ववंश विनाशाय स स्वदुर्गम् उपनीतः नीयमानश्चान्तर्लीनम् अवहस्य स्थिरजीवी व्यचिन्तयत्. Yeah.
Atha, then what happened? Raktaksha vachanam anadrutya tunikrutya tiraskrutya, rejecting, not caring the words, the wise words of Raktaksha, who narrated the story of the Rishi and the Kanya, Mushaka Kanya, not caring that. Taihi mantribihi, taihi arimardana rajasya mantribihi, Swavamsha Vinashaya, for the destruction of their own race. Sa Swadurgam Upanitaha. Sa is referring to Sthirajivi. Swadurgam Upanitaha. He was taken to their fort, not carrying the words of Raktaksha for their own destruction. Swavamsha Vinashaya. Now, this is where we often recall that very popular Sukti Srinivas. Vinashakale Viparita Buddhihi. When Vinashakala of a person comes, his Buddhi becomes Viparita. So, they are not caring for the noble advice given by Raktaksha. Niyamanaha, when the Sthirajivi, the feigned servant mantri, who is acting as though he has been ill-treated by the Kakaraja, Niyamanaha, being taken, cha antarleenam avahasya. He laughed in his own self. He was laughing in himself. That laughter was not visible outside. Antarleenam avahasya. Laughing in himself. Sthirajivi, that is Sthirajivi, Vyachintayat. He thought like this about these people. Yeah.
Anyatamiti yenoktam swamino hitavadina sayevaikotra sarvesham niti shastrartha tattvavitu.
So he is praising here Raktaksha. Just like Sthiraji, what do you call Sthirajivi is on the side of this Kakaraja, Meghavarna, and on the side of the Uluka Raja, namely Arimardana, only one wise minister is this, and he is not cared there. Hanyatamiti te yena uktam, yenoktam. By whom? Yena Raktakshena hanyatamiti uktam. By which Raktaksha mantri, it was said uktam, abhihitam, kimiti uktam, hanyatam, ayam sthirajivi, kakarajasya bhrutyaha, mantri, hanyatam. This minister of the Crow King must be killed. Swaminaha hitavadina, Swaminaha, Harimardanasya, Swaminaha hitavadina. When it was told by the Hitavadi, well-wishing minister Raktaksha, it was by Raktaksha that Sthirajivi, I should be killed. Sthirajivi is only saying, I should be killed. Sa eva eko atra, that sa Raktakshaha ekaha, eva, Raksa means sa Raktakshaha, eva alone, ekaha atra, he is the only one here. Sarvesham, among all the Sarvesham Mantrinam Madhye, Sachivanam Madhye, Niti Shastra Artha Tattva. He is the only one minister on the side of the Arimardana who has the knowledge of Niti Shastra. Niti Shastra Artha. Artha Tattva, who has understood the very essence of the political science. And his word is not being cared. So that is what Sthirajivi is thinking.
Tadyadi tasya vachanam karishyennete tatah na swalpaha api anarthaha bhavishyadetesham atha durgadvaram prapya arimardanaha abravit bho hitaishinonsya sthirajivinah yatha samihitam sthanam prayachata. I'll pause here.
Yes. Then tadyadi, if it is so, tasya vachanam, now still Sthirajivi is thinking. Tad, so yadi, if tasya vachanam, tasya here refers to whom? Raktaksha. Tasya Raktakshasya vachanam akarishyan. Tad yadi, if supposing tasya Raktakshasya vachanam akarishyan. This akarishan is lrung payoga, Srinivas. Lrung.
Excuse me, sir. I think there is small mistake here. It is karishyat.
No, that is correct. I will tell you now.
Okay.
Tad, now you see the breaking. Tad, so, yadi if tasya Raktakshasya vachanam akarishan.
Okay.
Akarishan plus ete, akarishan ete it becomes. You are getting that?
Yeah.
Akarishyat, akarisyatam, akarisyan. That is what I was telling you. This is lrung lakara, where lung and lrt both mixed together. Both the past tense and future tense are put in one tense, which is called lrung, conditional. The conditional.
Okay.
If you simply say that yadi tasya raktakshasya vachanam akurvan lang lakara. Yadi akurvan, vachanam akurvan. Had they followed the word of raktaksha, this is conditional sentence. So akarishan. Akarishan is not, there is a karishan, you find future tense, ishya, is there, the augment of the lang lakara. So lang lakara and rit lakara both put, when you put into one place, it turns out to be lrung lakara.
Oh.
There are dashalakaras, na lat vartamane, lang, lit, lat, lit, lot. We have studied. We generally teach lat, lung, past tense, and lut, future tense, lot, vidyasishoho, imperative. Vidyasishoho, ling, lotau, vidiling and lot. And then comes this ashirvada, and afterwards lrung comes. Lrung. So that is this. Yadi tasya vachanam akarishan ete mantrinaha. Now akarishan plus ete becomes akarishan ete.
Yeah.
Akarishan ete. Ete referring to the Harimardhanasya mantrinaha. Tataha then na svalpaha api anartaha abhavishyat. Abhavishyat, not abhavat. Abhavat is langlakara. Abhavishyat, this is. Had they followed the word of Raktaksha, Stirajivi is thinking, Tataha then, na svalpaha api anartaha, not as even little damage would not have taken place. Svalpaha api anartaha na abhavishyat etesham mantrinam. Atha then, Durgadwaram prapya. So he was thinking when he was being taken by the mantris of the Uluka Raja, he was thinking in himself. Atha then, Durgadwaram prapya, reaching the entrance of the fort Durga, Harimardhanaha, the king of Braviti, said, Bhoho hitaishinaha, hitaishinaha, hitam ye ichchantiti, hitaishinaha, asya sthirajivinaha, hitaishinaha, those who are well-wishers of this Sthirajivi, yatha samihitam, yatha vanchitam, samihitam means vanchitam, sthanam prayachata. So please provide him as required, the accommodation as required by the Sthirajivi. Yatha vanchitam sthanam prayachata. You stopped here?
Yes. Tacha shrutva sthirajivi vyachintayat. Maya tavad etesham vadhopayaschintaniyah samaya madhyastena na sadhyate yataha madiyam ingitadikam vicarayantastepi savadhana bhavishyanti tad durgadwaram adhishrito abhipretam sadhayami.
So once Harimardhana instructed his ministers, those who are well-wishers of Sthirajivi, to provide sthanam prayachata. Kidrusham sthanam yatha ipsitam, yatha samhitam, yatha vanchitam sthanam prayachata. You provide him accommodation as per his desire. He is a guest now. Tacha srutva. The moment Sthirajivi heard this, Sthirajivi vyachintayat, he thought, he went into contemplation, thought. Maya tavad etesham vadha upayaha chintaniyaha. Why have I come here, Sthirajivi? I have come here to plan for the destruction of these Ulukas. Maya tavad, in the first place, what should I do? Etesham Ulukanam vadhopayaha chintaniyaha asti. Firstly, I have to plan for the destruction of these. Samaya madhyastena na sadhyate. And that cannot be, na sadhyate, cannot be achieved. Madhyastena, being in their midst, amidst them. If supposing then accommodation is provided to Sthirajivi by the mantris in the middle of their accommodations. So all eyes will be on Sthirajivi only, na? So whatever Sthirajivi would be planning, that will be leaked, known by the other people, and they become alert that he doesn't want to be surrounded by people. That is what he says. See the cleverness of this. Sa maya, so maya madhyastena, etesham madhyastena na sadhyati. It cannot be achieved being stationed amidst them. Yataha, because madiyam ingitadikam, my ingitam, my planning, my intention, etc. My planning, my mind, etc. intention. Vicharayantaha, if I am there amidst them, among them, my intentions, my planning will be vicharayanta, they will be also thinking about it. Te api savadhanaha bhavishyanti, they will also become alert. Arey, this fellow is behaving somewhat differently. He said something there, now he is planning something. So they will become savadhana, they will become more alert. If I live with them, tat durgadvaram adhishritaha, therefore I will be asking for accommodation Durgadvaram, at the entrance of the Durga. Durgadvaram adhishritaha, adhishrito abhipretam sadhayami. Positioning myself at the entrance of the Durga, adhishritaha, abhipretam vanchitam, desired karma sadhayami. I can do my action, my desired, I can implement whatever I plan to do. So, iti nischitya, you have to read it. Iti nischitya ulukapatimaha.
Yeah. Iti nischitya ulukapatim aha. He deva yuktamidam yat swamina proktam param ahamapi nitignaste hitascha yadyapi anuraktaha शुचिस्तथापि दुर्गमध्ये आवासः न अर्हः तद अहम् अत्रैव दुर्गद्वारस्थः प्रत्यहं भवत् पादपद्मरजः पवित्रीकृततनुः सेवां करिष्यामि तथा इति प्रतिपन्नं प्रतिदिनं उलूकपति सेवकास्ते प्रकाममाहारम् कृत्वोलूकराजा आदेशात् प्रकृष्ट मांसाहारं स्थिरजीविने प्रयच्छन्ति.
Iti nischitya. Now this is what the nischaya of Sthirajivi. Sthirajivi does not want to live among them. He wants to live Durgadvaram adhishritaha, station himself at the entrance of the Durgadwara. Iti nischitya, having decided, Uluka patimaha, Uluka rajamaha. He told the king, Uluka king, that is owl king, namely Arimardana, hey Deva, oh my lord, yuktam idam yat swamina proktam. What you have said is right only. Param, but ahamapi nitignaha, but I am also a nitignaha. I am also a political expert, policy expert, nitignaha te ahitascha, but I also know Rajaniti. At the same time, aham ahitaha, I am also your enemy. Yadyapi anuraktaha, though I am very much attached to you, devoted to you, anuraktaha, shuchihi, I am pure in my mind, tathapi, still, Durga madhye avaso na arhaha, I don't deserve avasa, my accommodation, Durga madhye, in the midst of the fort. Even though I am very pure at heart, even though I am anuraktaha, I am your fan, but at the same time, I am a politician, you can say. I am a political scientist, nitignaha, I know the niti, and also ahitaha, I am your enemy. Na? Tad, so, aham atraiva, better you keep me away from your people. Tad atraiva, here only, Durgadvarastaha, at the entrance itself, pratyaham. Staha means standing. Staying at the entrance itself, Durga Dwarastaha, pratyaham pratidinam, every day, bhavat pada padma rajaha pavitri krita tanu. I will be making my tanu, my sharira, pavitra. I will purify myself by the pada pad. What is the patidinam? Pada padma rajaha, by the dust of your lotus feet, so that I will be every day bowing down to you and touching your pada padma, and by that raja, by the dust of your pada padma, my tanu will become purified. Pavitri kruta tanuhu. So myself being purified by touching your lotus feet every day. Sevam karishyami, I can do you service. Tatha iti pratipannam. Uluka Raja is a fool. He said, okay, tatha, okay, iti pratipannam. Pratidinam, every day. Pratyaham, earlier sentence, pratyaham. Ahani, ahani is equal to pratyaham, that is avyabhava samasa. Pratidinam also like that. Pratidinam, uluka pati seva kaha. Uluka pati seva kaha. The servants of the uluka pati, that is the uluka Raja, Arimardana, sevakaha, te sevakaha. Prakamam. Prakamam means profusely, whatever was required. In a big number, you can say prakamam very much. Aharam krutva uluka. Prakamaharam krutva uluka. Just a minute. I'm unable to see.
Yeah, Uluka
Krutva
Raja.
uluka Raja. So every day,
Take.
Uluka Raja Adeshat. Uluka Raja Adeshat. By the order of the Arimardana, Prakrushta, the best Mamsaharam. He was provided with the best meat food. Sthirajivine Chaturthi Prayachanti. They used to give him the best meat every day as per the order of the Uluka Raja. And to the Prakama, very big quantity also.
Atha katipayairev ahobihi mayura ivasa balavan samruttaha.
This is very wonderful. So when the Sthirajivi started, crows, Sthirajivi started eating profusely the best meat, ata katipayaihi eva ahobihi dinaihi. Katipayaireva dinaihi. Within few days only, mayuraha iva sa balavan samvruttaha. This Sthirajivi became like a mayura. You can see a crow within few days eating so much beautiful food, rich food, became like a peacock. A beautiful comparison here. A kaka becoming like a mayura in size. A mayura.
Atha raktakshaha sthirajivinam poshyamanam društva sa vismayaha mantrijanam rajanancha pratyaha. Aho murkhoyam mantrijanah bhavanschet evam aham avagacchami uktam cha.
Atha, then what happened? When this Sthirajivi was fed, stationed at the entrance of the cave, he was given the best meat every day, and who became like a peacock in no time. Atha, then Raktakshaha, the wise minister of the Uluka Raja, Sthirajivinam proshyamanam društva, pariposhyamanam društva, having seen Sthirajivi being fed so well, savismayaha, with wonder, mantrijanam rajanam cha pratyaha. Then he told something to the mantri, all the mantris, mantrijana, rajanam cha, and also the king. He got offended. He got upset with this. Pratyaha, aho murkhaha ayam mantrijanaha. Your ministers are fools. Your mantri mandala is foolish mandala. Bhavanscha, he now not sparing even the Uluka Raja. Murkhaha ayam mantrijanaha. Your mantrijana, the entire mantri mandali is murkha, foolish. Bhavancha, and also you are foolish. Bhavam cheti iti Ityevam, iti evam, thus aham avagachami. I understand now. Not only you are a fool walking, your entire what do you call mantris, mantri jana are foolish because it is said. Yeah.
पूर्वं तावदहं मूर्खो द्वितीयः पाशबन्धकः ततो राजा च मन्त्री च सर्वं वै मूर्खमण्डलम्. ते प्राहु कथमेतत् रक्ताक्षः कथयति.
This word I like, Murkha Mandalam. Murkha Mandalam. Mandalam. So Raktaksha says, now he is going to another story. Right? Purva. I'm sorry. Purvam Tavat. Purvam Tavat. Anuswara becoming. Purvam Tavad Aham Murkaha. Purva means firstly. Firstly, basically, I am a fool. Dvitiyaha Pasha Bandakaha. Secondly, the Pasha Bandaka, the Bandakaha, the fastener of the rope. Pasha, rope, Bandakaha, fastener. Tataha Raja, then the king is fool. Mantricha, then the mantri is fool. What to say? Sarvam Vai Murka Mandalam. The entire thing is Murka Mandala. What is called a group of fools only, a team of fools only. Now, what is this? Te means those mantris. Te mantrinaha prahu. They said, Katametat, how is this? Raktakshaha punaha katayati. Again, he goes to narrate another story. Next. So, we are into the 14th Chaturdashi Kathayam. Asmin Pustake Chaturdashi Tatra Saptadasha Kathaha Vartante. Saptadasha Kathasu Yam. Idanim Prarabhamana Yam Katha Vartate Chaturdashi. This is the 14th story now. Yes.
Swarna Purisha Pakshiraja Mantri Katha Sindhuka Katha.
Some books Sindhuka Katha it is said. Swarna Purisha Pakshiraja Mantri Katha. The story of a bird defecating gold and king and his minister, etc. Otherwise known as Sindhuka Katha. Here we go.
अस्ति कस्मिंश्चित् पर्वत एकदेशे महावृक्षः तत्र च सिन्धुकनामा कोऽपि पक्षी प्रतिवसति स्म तस्य पुरीशे सुवर्णमुत्पद्यते अथ कदाचित् तम् उद्देशं व्याधः कोऽपि समाययौ स च पक्षी तदग्रत एव पुरीशमुत्ससर्ज अथ पादसमकालमेव तत् सुवर्णभूतं दृष्ट्वा व्याधो विस्मयम् अगमत् अहो मम शिशुकालादारभ्य शकुनि बन्धव्यसनिनोषीतवर्षाणि समभूवन् न च कदाचिदपि पक्षिपुरीशे सुवर्णं दृष्टम्.
Yes. So entering into this 14th story, Asti, there was Kasminchit Parvata Ekadeshe, in some mountain region, Mahan Vrikshaha, there was a great tree, big tree, very big tree. Tatra, there on the tree, Tatra Maha, Tasmin Mahati Vrikshe, cha Sindhukanama Kopi Pakshi Prativasati Sma. On that big tree on a mountainous region, a bird by name Sindhuka Nama Pakshi Prativasati Sma used to live there. Tasya Purishe, Purisham iti Shabdam, Purishe, Tasya Sindhukanama Pakshinaha Purishe, in the feces, in the, what do you call the feces, excreta, otherwise, in the excreta or the feces, Purisham means excreta, of that bird, Suvarnam Utpadyate. When the bird excreted, it used to become gold. Never we heard such a thing. Atha, kadachit, one day, kadachit tam uddesham vyadaha. So to that very place where this Sindhuka Pakshi was living, vyadaha, hunter kopi samayayu, happened to come over there. He came over there. Such a vyadaha, that hunter, such a pakshi and that bird, namely Sindhuka pakshi, Sindhuka nama pakshi, tad agrata eva. Tad agrata means tasya vyadhasya agrataha eva, right before the hunter only. Tad agrata eva purisham ussasarja visarjitavan. That bird excreted there, right before the hunter. Tadagrata eva purisham ussasarja. Itlakara. Srujati, asrujat, it left the feces. Then, what happened? When the bird released its, what do you call, excreta. Yeah, sorry. So we don't use this very often. Excreta. When the bird releases its excreta, pata samakalameva, simultaneous to the falling of the excreta, Srinivas, samakalameva, tat suvarni bhutam društva. This hunter saw it becoming gold. Tat purisham suvarni bhutam društva, becoming gold. Vyada vismayam agamat. He was dumbfounded, taken aback. What do you have been doing this business of a hunter since so many years, he says now, 80 years. I have not seen a bird defecating and immediately that turning into gold. Oh, Ascharyam, Mama, Shishukaladharabhya. Me, right from my childhood, Shishukaladharabhya, Shakuni means Pakshi, Bandha Vyasanino. I am a fellow who is into this business right from my childhood of catching the birds. Shakuni, Pakshi, Bandha Vyasaninaha. This is my profession, habit, that I have been catching the birds right from my childhood. Ashiti Varshani Samabhuvan. How many years I have spent now? Ashiti Varshani. 80 years are spent right from my childhood in catching the birds. Nacha, but never, kadachit, nacha kadachit, never, api, pakshipuri suvarnam dustam, but never did I see gold in the excreta of the bird. He is so much surprised. Vismayam agamat. Then, yes,
इति विचिन्त्य तत्र वृक्षे पाशं बबन्ध अथ असौ अपि पक्षी मूर्खः तत्रैव विश्वस्तचित्तः यथापूर्वम् उपविष्टः तत्कालमेव पाशेन बद्धः.
Yeah. Iti vichintya, like this. Now, what the hunter thought, we have known it. Thinking like that, Tatra Vrikshe, what did he do on that tree? Pasham Babadha, he put the net on the tree. Atha then, Asau api, Pakshi, this Pakshi, namely the Pakshi, Sindhukanama Pakshi, Murkaha, this foolish Pakshi, Tatra eva Vishwastaha, believing in that Vishwasta Chittaha, believing in that net or in that person, whatever it is, Yatha Purvam, believing in that tree, Yatha Purvam, as before, Upavishtaha, sat there only, Tatkalameva, Pashena Baddaha, immediately, Tatkalameva, Pashena Baddaha, it was netted, rather trapped into the net.
व्याधः तु तं पाशाद् उन्मुच्य पञ्जरके संस्थाप्य निज आवासं नीतवान्. अथ चिन्तयामास किम् अनेन सापायेन पक्षिणा अहं करिष्यामि. यदि कदाचित् कोऽपि अमुम् ईदृशं ज्ञात्वा राज्ञे निवेदयिष्यति तत् नूनं प्राणसंशयः मे भवेत्. अतः स्वयमेव पक्षिणं राज्ञे निवेदयामि इति विचार्य तथैव अनुष्ठितवान्.
So what happened when the foolish bird somehow believing, not knowing the danger, got caught now. Atha asavapi pakshi, that is over. Vyadastu, but the hunter, tam pashat unmuchya, releasing it from the net, pashat unmuchya, mochayitva, panjarake samsthapya. Now he took out the bird from the net and put it into the cage. Panjarake samsthapya, having put it into the cage, nija avasam nitavan, nija gruham, swiya gruham nitavan. He took it to his home. Atha chintayamas. Having taken home, he had this thought. Chintayamasa chintayat. Kim anena sapayena pakshina aham karishyami. What will I do? Aham kim karishyami. What will I do with this pakshi? Pakshina. This is pakshi shabda trutiya. Pakshina. Khagena. Kim karishyami. Kidrushena pakshina. Sa apayena. Apayena sahitam. Sahitam vartate. Ayam pakshi. This bird is very dangerous. Apaya, very destructive.
Yeah.
Now, we may be thinking why the bird is, when it is giving fecal matter, it is turning into gold. Why? How is this dangerous? You must say, this is the next sentence. Sa apayena, it is destructive. It is very dangerous. Sa apayena pakshina aham karisham. What am I going to do this destructive, dangerous bird? Yadi, supposing, now this is the fear. Yadi, supposing, kadachi someday, ko-api, somebody, ko-api, ayam idrusham gnatva, is it like ko-api amum, amum idrusham gnatva. If someday somebody, amum, this pakshi, amum pakshinam, idrusham gnatva means like this, knowing like this. Knowing like this means knowing a bird to be bird whose fecal matter becomes gold. If somebody comes to know this, Ragne Nivedayishyati, and shall inform to the king. So a certain hunter has got a bird which is a magical bird. Whenever it releases the excreta is turning into gold. Yadi Ragne Nivedayishyati, tat then nunam surely prana samshayaha me bhavet. I will be in trouble. My life will be in danger. Bhaved ataha. Therefore, swayameva, I will myself, pakshinam, etam pakshinam, ragne nivedayami, samarpayami. I will go and offer this bird to the king himself before anybody finds out that this is a particular bird of this nature. Now, when I was reading this is the same thing even now, Srinivas.
Sure.
Supposing you have bought some plot and then you have started digging it for putting the columns. Some people get some kind of treasury.
Yeah.
Nidhi, that is what. If by luck or fortune or unfortunately, if some nidhi is found, do you think if the owner can manage without telling anybody, construct the builder, the worker, the architect, or he may go along. But supposing if it is known to the people and then they inform in turn to the police or anybody, that nidhi does not belong to that cannot be claimed by the owner of the land. Anything found like this nidhi, treasury, belongs to the state only. State has every right to take it away. So even now this is the same law.
Yeah.
So that is the thing here. So if I am caught by somebody, if somebody goes and informs the king, then I will be in trouble. Before the trouble comes, let me go and offer it to the king. Swayam pakshinam ragni nivedayami iti vicharya. He thought over coolly at home. Tataiva anusthitavani. He did so. He did go and gave it to, he did go and give it to offered it to the king. Atha
raja api tam pakshinam društva vikasita nayana vadana kamalaha param tushtim upagataha prahacha evam ham ho रक्षापुरुषाः एनं पक्षिणं यत्नेन रक्षत अशन पानादिकं च अस्य यथेच्छं प्रयच्छत्
Prayachata. That halanta is it. Then what happened? This fellow, fearing the arrest by the king, he went and offered it to the king. Raja api, the king also, tam pakshinam društva, seeing that pakshi, immediately became very, very happy. Vikasita nayana vadana kamalaha. His vadana was blooming. He became like a lotus. His face bloomed. His eyes were also blooming. Param tustim upagataha. He became extremely happy when he came to know about this bird. Praha, and said, cha evam, and he also said like this, amho raksha purushaha. Amho is also a kind of sambodhana. Oh, raksha purusha, hey bodyguards, oh protectors, bodyguard. Raksha purusha means guards. The raksha purusha means cops, oh cops. Enam pakshinam yatnena rakshata. Protect this bird with all effort. And ashanapanadikam cha, as far as eating and drinking is concerned, ashana panadikam cha asya pakshinaha yathecham prayachata. Give as the bird, as per the liking of the bird, food and water should be given yathecham, freely. Okay, provide freely. Plenty of food to this bird.
तथा मन्त्रिणा विहितं किम् अनेन अश्रद्धेय व्याधवचन प्रत्यमात्र परिगृहेतेन अंडजेन किं कदाचित् पक्षिपुरीशे सुवर्णं संभवति तन्मुच्यतां पंजरबन्धनात् अयं पक्षी इति मन्त्रिवचनात् राजा मोचितः असौ पक्षी उन्नतद्वार तोरणे समुपविश्य सुवर्णमयीं विष्ठां विदाय पूर्वं तावदहं मूर्खः इति श्लोकं पठित्वा यथासुखम् आकाशमार्गेण प्रायात् अतोऽहं ब्रवीमि पूर्वं तावदहं मूर्खः इति.
So this is the opening story, that line. Then what happened? Atha, then mantrina abhihitam. One mantri objected to this acceptance of the bird by the king. Kim anena ashraddheya vyadha vachana. Kim anena ashraddheya vyadha vachana pratyaya matra parigruhitena andajena. Look at the big compound words in one. Kim anena means what is the use of this? Kim anena ashraddheya, unbelievable, vyadha vachana means words of the hunter, vyadha vachana pratyaya matra, by believing, pratyaya means vishwasa matra, parigruhitena andajena nama pakshina. What is the use of taking this bird andaja? By believing in the unbelievable words of this hunter. Ashraddheya vyadha vachana pratyaya vishwasa matra believing in the unbelievable words of the hunter, parigruhitena, accepting, ena andajena kim anena, kim prayojanamiti. Kinno bhogena govinda iti, like. So kim iti tata tutiya bhavati. Iti mantri vachanat. Mantri objected this. Mantri vachanat. Rajna, immediately the king, foolish king. Iti mantri vachanat. Rajna, by the king, mochitaha asau. Immediately the bird asau pakshi, mochitaha, muktaha. Pakshi, now look at the sandhi here. Mochitaha asau pakshi unnatadvara torane samupavishya. Pakshi, when it was released, Unnata Dwara Torane Samupavisha, it went and sat on the high Torana, what do you call? Balcony, can say, balcony of the place. Torane Samupavishya, Suvarnamayim Vishtam Vidhaya, again it released its excreta, Suvarnamayam. Suvarnamayim Vishtam. Now this word Vishta is used here. Vishtam Vidhaya, Purvam Tavadaham Murkaha. So the story is told here.
27th.
Srinivas, we can stop here. Srinivas.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
We'll take again this.